Imam Deborah Sanchez. Okay. So, let's start our preliminary interview to start with candidate number 1. Okay. So before na tabunod to na ako sa pangutan kaya na wala ito ang ilahan mga kaguba. Kaya bisag ako sa kong kawali, pangutan ko yung dire-diretso, malaparuhan dyan mo na ako. Bitaw. Okay, so candidate number 1, how are you?
I'm great, and I'm feeling nervous at the same time, and I was holding my breath for this last part.
Wow. Well, actually, this is not the last part. If you will be one of the top 3, mautay mo ang last part. Okay, so candidate number 1, what city or forum are you representing?
Purok 9 and 12.
Purok 9 and 12. So we're the supporters for 9 and 12. Mga plastic adyo. Okay, so candidate number 9, kung saman ka mga preparation mong gibuhat for tonight's competition?
Also, I prepare for my determination to compete this pageant because I know this is my passion, and also I am obligated to attend this pageant because I am proudly represented by Purok 9 and 12.
Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, candidate number 1, can you pick your question? Asa sa to mga supporter ni candidate number 1, be aron mag-cheer up si candidate number 1. Imagine na yung kailan supporters. Okay, candidate number 1, here's your question. Tell me 3 words that most likely distinguish you among others. Again, tell me 3 words that most likely distinguish you among others.
Thank you. Passionate, resilience, and empathetic. I believe these traits set me apart because I am driven by passion in anything I do. I can resiliently bounce back from challenges. I am genuinely care about understanding others. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1, representing 9 and 12. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number 2, representing Purok 1 and 2. Asa mga supporters? Okay, candidate number 2, kumusta mga karon? You're feeling good. Okay, no, so candidate number 2 kalaban from the very start sa mga practices and everything. Okay, so candidate number 2, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so can you pick your question?
Naman Joy dan ha naman.
Okay, si candidate number 2, ang pinakalubo nga question. For you,
Sa kuan.
what is beauty? Again, for you, what is beauty?
Thank you. For me, beauty is the authentic reflection of one's souls, express true kindness and confidence, and has to show their own ways on and diplomacy. That could be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Very short question and, of course, a very short answer. Okay, next, candidate number 3. Asa ang supporters ni candidate number 3? Candidate number 3, knowing the fact na nakailan mo din sila nimo because you're representing different competitions nga kandihan yun imong gidala or whatever schools nga na ba.
Anad
diba?
na.
Okay, so for tonight's competition, unsa ang imong himo nga adjustment to the rest of the candidates, knowing the fact that mostly all of them are first-timer?
Well, actually, all competitions are the same. I still feel the pressure, even if it's just a porokai, because all they are equally beautiful and talented ladies, and it doesn't diminishes them with their potential if I am their competitor. Thank you.
Okay, so tinuod ko ang himo ni candidate number 3. No? Dili yun na siya mag-matter if you're a first-timer or kapila na yung kaniapil. No? Kaya naman po kapila ni apil, mapili yun ta. Di ba, no? Kaya dili pa nato may bawakan ng ato mga kontra.
Sure.
Di ba? Kaya naman tayo gitawag na Jake Raya, the last dragon sin. Ako ano ba? Is Jake Raya around? Okay, wala. Okay, so candidate number 3, are you ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you pick your question?
Ha?
Okay, candidate number 3, here's your question.
Puti ka dito, no?
If given one word to eliminate in the dictionary, what would it be and why? Again, if given one word to eliminate in the dictionary, what would it be and why?
If given a chance to eliminate one word in dictionary, it would be the word impossible. I believe this word hinders our potential in achieving our greatest and more encouraged person. And by eliminating this word impossible, we are empowering our young individuals to dream more, to achieve the extraordinary things, and let us live in a world where impossible is not evident, and let us achieve dreams which is within reach. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, candidate number 3. Let us now move forward to candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, you are representing Poro
7 and 8.
7 and 8. Asa ang mga supporters sa 7 and 8? Pera naman tayo. Okay, so candidate number 4, kumusta ka? You're fine, okay. We are also refined sugar. Uy, grabe naman yung tiyaw ba? Bitaw. Candidate number 4. So, si candidate number 4, ako nakita mo rin. Among all the candidates, murag-mara na dili mo tingong kayo na po. Mura pag kandidata nga ang iwawon, formal. Ang nabat ka formal man po, pero dili kayo yung nagagman. Yun, tayo, ano. Mga bastos ko na sa bitaw. Kani siya kaya dili kayo mo tingong. Namoro ko siya kandidata nga dili kayo mo tingong na ko. Okay, so are you ready?
I have no choice.
Of course, we also have no choice. Okay, so can you pick your question? Ano katawa mo muli ha? Kung punuhol ko niya, huwag kamay ako makatubag pa ako. Okay. Okay, so candidate number 4, here's your question. What for you are the qualities as a winner of this contest? Again, what for you are the qualities as a winner of this contest?
Thank you. I believe a winner should be confident, compassionate, and purpose-driven. A winner should inspire others through their actions, using their platforms to make a positive difference. A winner they show grace under pressure and represents the crowd with humility and dignity. I believe a true winner is not just confident and shine on stage, but also someone who brings lights on others' lives. And they show beauty. Beauty is shown from within. Because according to the Bible, Don't you know, a heart that's pure with love that goes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4. Okay? So, di ko po din ko ba? Nandili ka na din kinahanglan na as a winner, ikinahanglan din na confident ka, parehang rin ka niyaw. O, di ba? O, when you talk about boys over flowers, ikinahanglan na confident. Parehang rin ka niyaw, na bisa ba siya kayo sa laki? Maybe your baby. Baby yun ang tawag. Kaya kung itawag mo ito confident. Bisa hindi siya kayong papa. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to candidate number 5. Oh, di ba? Istorya na siya, naalam ako ng istorya. Kay candidate number 5, among the other candidates, pinakababa ko ng kandidata. Liwat ni siya sa iya kauban sa trabaho, murag wala na niya. Oh, bitaw. Mao ni siya absino sa practice, charot. Pero karon, look at her. She's so beautiful, stunning. Gana po. Bitaw. Okay, si candidate number 5. Kumusta mo pagka?
I'm fine.
Oh, di ba? I'm fine. Feeling good pa po. Bitaw. Okay, candidate number 5. So, kananay, among the other candidates, kaya mo rin nga mga ikaw rin yung usahay, hindi maka-practice kay. Si candidate number 5 is, usapon siya sa mga dancers sa Bahan Bihay, which is happy na po siya i-present. No, mauna nga, magkaingon din ko nga, makasabot na po ko nga conflict sa mga time sa mga practices, is it because dancer po siya sa Bahan Bihay, which is very important po nga, ipakita nila karong foundation, day na ito karong pangkinay. So, kung sa may mga pagpangandam sa karong gabi na o pagpangandam ni mo karong pangkinay?
Very struggle.
Struggle. Struggle pag may kay gamay, rin bayad din. Bitaw, sobra. Okay, si candidate number 5. Pick your question. Ikatawa sa siguro kayo sa pinag-iwo sa payroll. Okay, so here's your question, candidate number 5. Okay, so candidate number 5, here's your question. What is your advocacy and how can you infect others with your advocacy? Again, what is your advocacy and how can you infect others with your advocacy?
My advocacy is to educate, elevate, and educate. Bridging an educational gap is a big advocacy. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, candidate number 5. Okay, so thank you so much. Up next, candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 is representing Poro 11 and 13 Asan supporters. Okay, so candidate number 6. So, alam na ba yung kakaroon kami yun?
Yes, I am ready.
Yeah, okay. So, si candidate number 6, usapon sa mga bukutan na kandidata. Kaya syempre ako makailan ko sa mga kandidata. Is it because I am the choreographer, the designer of the stage, and host ako na nitanan? Ayaw mo pagpuotan ulit kong gabaan. Can you please pick your question? Huwag kang tawa na si Sir Dinero sa Shopee. Hindi na pagkatsugo mga gwapa. Ow! Okay. Si candidate number 6, here's your question. Okay, if discrimination is everywhere, how would you handle it in front of many people? Again, if discrimination is everywhere, how would you handle it in front of many people?
Good evening. If discrimination is everywhere, I would handle it in a calm and assertive way. I would handle the issue directly, stating fact and knowledge that would eliminate the misconception. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Si candidate number 6, liwat kaayo sa iyang grandmother na si Ma'am... what is the name of your grandmother? Philip De La Cruz. Okay. My teacher, my teacher, was my teacher before when I was in senior year high school. In La Union, my Arlene Panlipunan. Okay. So next, candidate number 7. Okay, so candidate number 7, kiunsa mo pag-adjust ang iwang time nga bisa nga ako nakabalo nga you are joining Mujeres de Poblacion at the same time you have practices with your modeling. So kiunsa mo pag-adjust ang iwang time?
Well, thanks to my manager, of course. Nag-adjust this time. Nag-schedule naman they adjusted ko. Promise. Every Saturday, they mo mag-practice. Every Saturday, mo mag-practice. Mag-adjust na ko. Morning na lang ko. Afternoon.
Okay, so si candidate number 7 is a candidate of Mujeres de Poblacion at the same time a model of
Diverse icon.
diverse icon. Kaya tagal sa masipag ingana ka ng mga kapisi ang ato ang mga kandidata. No? They're not just a candidate in in a pageant, but also a model. No? Sa lain po nga, ingana sila kagwapa. Model mabuti sa rin pero nga naman may ingana. Ow! Okay, so candidate number 7. Are you ready? 7. Dito rin siya na po Sir Vidal Marco. Si Sir Vidal, bagay sa tanda, mga kailan ako, mga kinahanglukan ako when it comes to hosting. Kay Sir Joby, kailan ako Sir Joby? Kailan po siya mga laki? Ano ba yan? Okay, candidate number 7 is your question. What one word can you give to a blind child and why? Again, what one word can you give to a blind child and why?
Thank you. Hope. Hope represents endless opportunities and strength. It gives them courage to dream and the belief that they can achieve great things. And encourage and the belief that they can
Kanggalopo.
despite any limitations. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, candidate number 7. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number 8. Ang pinakagamay, ang pinaka-cute na kandidata
Bitaw.
sa 8 ka kandidata
Parang
dito sa
kahimot,
Mujeres de
lami
Poblacion.
kamot.
Representing
Kapila na no.
Sangguniang kabataan.
sa tingong palagdaan, bata kaayo. Di ba? Kabataan yun. She represent the sangguniang kabataan asa sa kinit. Wala sa kinit lagi. Okay, so Miss Isha, kanang kabalo man ka nga ikaw may pinakabata, ikaw may pinakagamay ang experience in terms of like mga ingani, pageantry. So, giunsan ko pag-handle ang imong kagalingon, ay di pa rin siya kasabot ng Bisaya. Okay, kasabot ka? Okay, so ganito. Woo! Hindi ko magtagalog na po nili. Okay, so ganito. Paano mo? Paano mo? Mami lang ko sa mga isang kumap. Paano mo na-handle yung time mo as the youngest candidate among the others?
Bilang nakakabata sa kandidata na ito, I try to do my best na makisagayan at kapalan ng mukha, syempre, alam mo naman, di ba?
Di ba? Oo, hindi na siya. So, kaya siya. Oo, di ba? Kasi syempre, she's just doing her best na makasabay. Pero kami rin din naman, ginawa din namin ang lahat para makasabay sa iyo. Charot ba? Kasi nagaling kasi siya. Pero nakakaintindi naman siya ng Bisaya, not just mas prefer siya to speak Tagalog than Bisaya. Diba? So in every pageant naman, we consider every languages. Am I right?
Yes.
O di, kay tuwag na ko na ng photographer niya. Okay, sakto daw. Alam di matuwag ng photographer. Okay. So Isha, are you ready?
Medyo na hindi.
Si Isha kasi, siya, ang Bisaya na, okay, so si Isha, ang pinakakanabitang murag sa mukan sa kandidata. Ang sige siya, pictures
Kuwan ka ng
paglaro
ihid
ko.
ba? Ihid.
Pictures so tama ko ba yung pagsayaw ko, ganyan. Kasi representing sa mga kabataan. At tagal sa masibag pa. So you have no other choice, just to pick the last question. Ano di last question kay? Daghan pa rin natin question ni Ani. We have 1,300 questions. Am I right? We have 1,300 questions for the Ani. Okay, here's your question. How can you heal? Daot na dyan. Kami yung Tagalog mo nakadaot ako, mawawan ko na yung question. Para ko mawawis na yung marami tayo. Okay, again. How can you help the youth of today in their peer pressure? Again, how can you help the youth of today in their peer pressure?
Thank you for beautiful question. Pwede ko po bang itagalog? Sige po. Ang masasabi ko po sa katanungan na yan ay, ipaparamdam ko po sa kanila na nandiyan ako para sa kanila at nahandang gumabay at ramayan sila para hindi nila maramdaman na nag-iisa sila. Para hindi nila maramdaman na nag-iisa sila at para maiwasan ang tangkang pagpapakamatay o paggawa ng masama. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Actually, ako, na-pressure ko rin mo. Ikaw ba kami na daon ako? 100.